Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? Today in this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I did a thick and glossy slime. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. If you like this type of content and would like to know more about it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Si te gusta este tipo de contenido, no te olvides de darle me gusta y suscríbete a mi canal. So if you want to know how I did my thick and glossy slime, just keep on watching. You know the drill at this point. We have to disinfect our table before doing anything else. As usual, we're going to start with our ingredients. So the first thing I'll be showing you guys is this white school glue. I'm also going to be using slime activator, some lotion, some foaming soap. This one has the scent of watermelon sugar, some baby oil, and some food coloring gel. I am only going to be making a little bit of slime for myself, so I'm measuring half a cup of white school glue. Then I'm going to be adding between 4 to 5 pumps of foaming soap. Next, I'm going to be adding some lotion. Then I'm going to be adding some baby oil. After the baby oil, I'm going to be adding a few drops of food coloring. Here you can measure however you want in terms of food coloring. So before adding the slime activator, I am going to be mixing all the ingredients here in the bowl before activating the slime. And as you can see, it turns out with this nice light yellow color. Once everything is done, now I just start to activate my slime, and I start between mixing and adding slime activator as much as needed. Remember that this part of the process does take a while, so you want to make sure that you are adding the slime activator as much as needed between adding and mixing, So don't be impatient. Here the slime is starting to thicken up, so that means that I will soon start kneading the slime with my hands. Even though I will start here kneading the slime with my hand, I am still adding slime activator so you can start getting that slime consistency that I really want. I want the slime to be a little more stretchy, so I decided to add more lotion and continue activating the slime and mixing it until I get the texture that I want. So now I'm going to focus more on kneading the slime with my hands while adding slime activator as needed. Alright, so it looks like the slime is ready to go, so let's test her out. So as you can see here, the slime does look pretty glossy. It really feels nice, it feels thick. I think because since I added a bit more of lotion, it does feel pretty stretchy. And it feels really, really nice when it comes to poking. So without further ado, let me give you guys some ASMR. Overall, I really enjoyed making this slime. It does feel thick. I do see some gloss within it, even though I feel like I should have added more baby oil to make it more glossy. But the slime is really fun for stretching, for poking, for doing a little bit of everything. Well, here ends the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And hasta la próxima, amigos. Adiós.